Good morning. It is not even 7 a.m. and I'm getting ready for the demo crew because my rental property is now going to be demoed and flipped very quickly for the next renter. I am really sad to see my tenants of 8 years leave. They are expecting a little baby and the cottage is not big enough for them and their growing family. So let me take you through the process. This will be a quickie, but I thought if you're going through this at all in your own home or in a rental, maybe some of the tips will help you. So come on in and let's take a look at what we've got here. This is a 1-bedroom standalone cottage with shared access to a patio, but the biggest selling point, quite honestly, is that it's only about 3 short blocks from the beach. And it's a very, very quiet complex, so I think that's why people like to stay for a long, long time. We deferred a lot of improvements on this place. It's been over 8 years, so all the carpet is gonna go. And now it's time to refresh, renovate, and quickly turn this rental apartment around. And I'll take you through the process, but today is demo day. I haven't used this crew before, so the best thing to do is literally mark and tape all the things that you want kept safe. Everything else you can say, if it's not marked with tape, then that's gonna be a demo or a haul, okay? Don't assume that they're gonna know the difference. Even if you give them a list, which I've already done, of all the items that need to be taken away or removed. Don't assume that, because the day of, that supervisor is going to be there from the beginning, but not throughout the whole process. So I'm trying to make it really easy for everybody so there's no mistakes. Okay, so let me just take you through this. In this kitchen, there's so much potential, right? In this kitchen, I don't want them to be touching, removing, scarring, anything with these kitchen cabinets. They're perfectly good wood. I actually swapped out the hardware earlier this year for the tenants. So these with sanding and new paint are gonna be great. It really does make sense to remind them that they have to be careful when they're demoing all the tile. Well, I do a big crisscross so it grabs their attention. Okay, let me show you the kitchen from here. Here's the kitchen. This door hits the stove. They put in a really huge fridge. This again was way before my time here. The stove does not have to be this big. I can get a smaller stove. It's interesting, in a small space, we really are talking about a matter of an inch or 2 inches, and that would make a big difference. Sometimes the crew, because they're going fast, they might not remember to take the carpet all the way out from the closet door. So keep all of your doors open as a visual reminder to completely remove all of the carpet. And then in here, same thing. This I'm going to remove. I don't like it. I know it held their luggage and stuff, but who wants to see all that storage right in front of your face? That's not good. Entire bathroom needs to be demoed. Everything goes. If you're living in a small space and living in a city like New York or Chicago or Boston, this is typical where they have the bathroom door, and the bathroom door, boom, oh no, it hits the toilet. That drives me insane. I'm gonna rehinge the door so it opens into the hallway. Okay, here is day 2. The demo guys took a full day to do the demo, and then they came back and vacuumed up, which was nice. And they did everything I had them do on the list. Let's take another look. Look at the kitchen. Oh my gosh. Do the floor here. Let's see here. And dum-ba-da-dum-ba-da. They took the carpet out of the closet. Yay! Okay, so the plan is to take you along the journey to go from demo to reno, and this cottage will ultimately be rented out as a furnished one. That's really going to be interesting to see how I'm going to stretch that decorating dollar with some real small space tips and tricks. And that brings me to the next very important announcement for this episode. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. What just happened? I just finished sewing the duvet cover for my bedroom makeover, which I am going to show you next week. That brings me to the big announcement that starting next Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific time, fresh new content, fresh new tips for small spaces will be posted on my channel every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific time. So I hope you guys will follow along with me. It's so much more fun having you with me for this design journey. Okay, so that's it for Nutshell Living. I'll see you next Friday at 3. What time? 3 p.m. Yes, you, me, decorating small spaces. It's just going to be so much fun. Bye.